Thank you for joining me for this quick stretch break. All right, so we're going to start by placing one hand along your side for support, and then going to bring the other arm up and over for a nice side body stretch. And while you do this, you might feel it all along your side, starting up in your arm, maybe through your ribs, maybe down towards your hip, if it goes that far. We're just doing what feels good. Excellent. If we're going to do it to one side, we should probably do it to the other. So anchoring the opposite hand, bringing the other arm up and over, side body stretch. Just noticing where you feel that stretch. Excellent, bringing it back to center. And now both arms up, big reach, think tall. If it feels good, you might even tip your head back and bring the neck into the stretch. Reaching. Good, bringing it back to center. Arms down along your sides, making a W. Open the chest, nice and wide. Feeling that nice squeeze between the shoulder blades. Thank you for joining me for this quick stretch break.